Hi guys, welcome back to Dude's Tech. Today we're checking out the best personal smoothie blender that makes healthy living simple and fast. If you want a blender that can turn everyday fruits and veggies into delicious smoothies, you're going to love this one. Let's get started. Let's start with a quick overview of the NutriBullet NBR0601 Personal Smoothie Blender. This blender is designed for anyone looking to enjoy nutrient-rich smoothies without any fuss. The NutriBullet NBR0601 makes blending fruits, vegetables, and liquids effortless while keeping things quick and convenient for daily use. One of the most important features is the powerful 600-watt motor. This motor easily breaks down a variety of ingredients, from strawberries to spinach, creating smooth, drinkable blends in seconds. Whether you want a morning smoothie or a quick post-workout drink, it delivers consistent results every time. Another key benefit is its intuitive operation. Using the NutriBullet is as simple as push, twist, and blend. There are no complicated settings or buttons, which makes it perfect for anyone who wants a quick, hassle-free way to make healthy drinks. Cleaning is also a breeze. The blades detach easily so you can rinse them quickly underwater, and the cups are dishwasher safe on the top rack. This thoughtful design saves time and effort, helping you keep your kitchen tidy while sticking to your health goals. The compact and practical design of the NutriBullet NBR0601 is another highlight. Its small size makes it easy to store in any kitchen or even take along when traveling. Despite being lightweight, it feels solid and durable, making it a reliable tool for everyday use. In real life, this blender is extremely convenient. You can make smoothies in the morning before work, prepare healthy snacks for kids, or create protein shakes after exercising. It saves time, reduces waste, and makes healthy eating enjoyable and accessible for anyone. The NutriBullet NBR0601 Personal Smoothie Blender is perfect for health-conscious individuals, busy professionals, students, or anyone who wants to include more fruits and vegetables in their diet. It's also ideal for people who want a simple yet effective kitchen tool without extra complicated functions. If you want a blender that makes healthy living effortless, this one is definitely worth considering. Check the price link in the description and see if it fits your needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Dude's Tech for more practical and smart kitchen finds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.